This video will cover the basics of how to set up and operate a RED digital camera with the DJI Ronin 2. We'll also take a look at a slightly more advanced package that lets a second operator control the gimbal and pull focus remotely. Before attaching your camera to the Ronin, you'll want your setup to be as contained and stripped down as possible. After the camera is attached to the Ronin, it's time to power up the system. Both of the Ronin and the camera can be powered by the two TB50 batteries. Connect the RED power cable to the DC in port on the RED and the Ronin's DC out port. The next step is to mount the monitor off of the camera body. Attach Lemo adapter A to the LCD mount on the top of the camera. For this setup, we'll be using the included Ronin mounting block to attach the monitor to the grip ring. We recommend the wooden Lemo cable as it provides more reach and flexibility. Attach the Lemo adapter to the mounting block and connect the Touch LCD. At this point, you are able to stabilize and control your camera. If your camera setup includes a manual lens, we recommend a lightweight focus system such as the DJI Focus. The focus motor can be powered using the P-tap inputs on the DJI Power Hub. If you have a second operator pulling focus, you'll need a wireless HDMI or SDI monitoring system. We recommend the Teradek Bolt series. The Ronin has a D-tap port that can be used to power the Teradek by using a 2-pin Lemo to D-tap cable. Lastly, if you have a third operator, the Ronin ships with the DJI remote control. This allows you to control your gimbal's movements as well as trigger the start and stop of recording. However, to control the recording of the camera, you will need the RED RCP cable. Once all pieces are attached, you're ready to stabilize your system. All gear mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.